Hello, this is my pool heater. How it works is I just have a pump up the water onto my shed roof. There's the pump. Pumps it up this green pipe. That's what's going on the shed. It's all them little holes are squirting water out down my roof. And it's running into the gutters and coming down this one pipe back into the water. It's 2 degrees warmer returning than what the actual pool water is going in. Got the surface filter sucking the water in there before it goes through the pump. Because I haven't got no filter, I've got a laundry bag, which is really fine, and use that as a filter. It works really well. But after about 5 hours, the pool's nice and warm, about 30 degrees on hot days. That's really good. The pool's not actually green as what it looks in the picture. It's in a slight murky colour. For some reason on camera it looks really green. But that's a shed I built as well. It works really well. Thanks for watching.